The implant that I had done was due to cracked tooth. And I had a cracked tooth on my lower right and one on my lower left, so I had 2 done. And it was a procedure that was done in 3 different steps. And it took a while to get it done, but it saved my mouth. And I have 2 teeth in my mouth where I wouldn't have had it because it was cracked and they would have to take them out. But the first visit, they pulled out my tooth that was cracked. And they put in some cadaver bone marrow in there. And then they drilled through that and put a titanium rod in. And that had to settle with my body for 3 months. And then you come back. He checks the rod and then makes sure that is settled in my mouth for another 3 months. And then the last visit was when they actually put the tooth in. And I just put it on that rod, screwed the tooth right on the rod, and then just put it in my mouth. My mouth feels great. I have no pain. I have no issues. And it just works wonderfully. Dr. Genninger's office and staff has put me back on the right track. My mouth is doing wonderful, and I'm very happy.